Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Rustbucket Redemption. Today I just bought this Volvo 240 for 200 bucks. And it's pretty dirty on the inside. So I'm gonna clean it out. Well, it's pretty dirty right now, but I have a feeling that it's gonna clean up nicely. Snicker bar. We got a nice First Nations banner here. Ah! Sorry, there's a bug. Woo. Beef jerky. Look at how big this pine cone is. We got a bottle cap and a light bulb. Well, this thing's got Tacoma floor mats. Maybe I'll give these to my good buddy Handy Dan, because you know he's got that Tacoma. We got some old road maps. Oh, this is cool. Check that out. Keeping this. More old maps. We got some fireworks, but I think I'm gonna save these for later. No dogs in the Volvo. Well, I found some toilet paper in there. Don't really want to know why this was in my car, but maybe I'll sell it or something, because you know, Corona. Oh yes! Spare tire. That'll come in handy. Black garbage bag. I was wondering where this thing went. I've got a fork and some old rope. Looks like we got some more old floor mats. Here's an old Coke bottle. You wonder what happens to old Coke and feathers when left in a Volvo for too long? It's pretty gross. Well, that's pretty much all the interesting stuff I found on the floor. Let's see what's in this glove box. Let's see, we got a cassette manual, but I don't have one of those, so won't be needing that. Oh, we got the original owner's manual. Beauty. Some aftermarket speakers. Pretty cool. Looks like a speaker vent or something. An old piece of paper. It says power steering fluid and wiper blades. Those are both things that I don't have. And we've got an old sock. Oh! We got a clock. I was wondering where that thing went. It's currently 4:21. A yellow light bulb. A few nuts and bolts and things. Oh, what is this? Brown sugar. I know exactly where this thing's going. Perfect. And what is hiding in the trunk of this thing? An umbrella. I'm gonna save this for a rainy day. And my jack. These always come in handy. Some cables. Automatic transmission fluid. Some tire chains for the winter. I don't know what these are, but there's two of them. Brand new spare tire. Some more parts of the jack. There's some old carpets. Pretty nasty. And another old carpet. Pretty solid. Well, now that all the bulk is out of it, it's time to vacuum this bad boy. We went from the floors looking like this to looking like that. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. Alright, so I'm taking out the rear seat. as I was saying, taking out the rear seat so that we can get a deep clean. All right, okay, well now that the seat's out, we can see that something has definitely been living here, but also it gives us a nice open area to clean, and clean we will.
Oh my, did you just buy a car?
Why, yes. Yes, I did. What do you think?
She's a keeper.
What do you think? I guess he doesn't like my car.
Yes.
What do you think? Good. Well, you heard it here, folks. It's good. Alright guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna clean the bird droppings off of the dash and also my seats. So I got some pine sol here, lavender flavor because that's my favorite. Pour in a little bit more than recommended because I think it's gonna need it. And I got some cloths. I'm gonna see how good we can get it. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, it comes right off and it leaves a nice fresh lavender smell. That's the stuff. So I've got one rag that's wet for wiping. And once I'm done with that, I got a dry rag to wipe it down for best results. So I just gotta clean this dash area here. It's pretty dusty, but at least it's not sticky, so that's a plus. I really like the turn signals on this because it's nice and thin and just robust. You know, Volvo was one of the first car companies to put airbags in their cars. Next thing I'm gonna do is clean down these door panels. You know, this Volvo was a one-owner car. But when someone tries to sell you a one-owner car, that doesn't mean anything. Because you don't know what that owner did to this car. And in this case, I don't even want to know what they did to this car. Alright, well now that the door panels are finished, it's time to move on to these seats. Onto the back seat. Alright guys, so it's getting a little bit dark out. I think I'm done for the day. Finished up on the interior, back seats back in, and tomorrow I'm gonna give it a wash and see if we can make this shine. Alright, well it's been about 3 days since I cleaned it. Just been driving it around. I painted the rims, and it's gotten a little bit more dirty since the last time. I don't even know why. Anyways, let's wash it. Well, we can't have dirty rust. Cut my finger. I was taking off a piece of chrome, so that kind of hurts. All right, well, I'm all done. She looks very, very clean. Still some scratches and things, not perfect, but I dubbed this rust bucket redeemed. Well, it's not fully redeemed. I still got big plans for this in the future. Maybe a LS swap or something, but we'll see. Anyways, it was just me this time, but I don't know where the other guys went. But I'll see you next time on Rust Bucket Redemption.
So, you thought you could make a video without me? Nice try.
So, you think you can make a video without me? Well, I'll show you, you randy minx.